Like this right here.
This is the only claim I've ever done on my commercial.
So they really making money off of you.
Yeah, because I've been paying. For
You probably already paid for the unit.
I've been paying for I don't know how many years.
Yeah.
What was 2025?
Yeah, it's 2025 now. Dang.
2011.
This is gone, man.
Yeah, since like 2010 I've been paying.
So you've been paying
15 years.
all that money.
Yeah.
You probably already bought like 3 systems. So really, them paying for this ain't gonna hurt them much. Yeah, that's true. Look, Ray-Ban matters. It said it said it's too hot. It doesn't want to record. It's crazy. Ah. Let's see. I don't know how heavy this thing is. I gotta pull it like this because that door don't want to open on me. 1, 2, ooh. There it is. But we'll make it work though.
Let's see how it fits there.
Yeah. I want to see what it does. Put that right there. We're going to need that later. It's pretty big, but it's not too. Everybody got their own way of doing things. That's just the way I do it. I use my surroundings. Really, I could eye this if I wanted to, but I try to keep the line as straight as possible. Mind you guys, I'm doing this in the afternoon time. It's already hot. I don't got time to dick around, or I don't got time to play too much, you know what I mean? But I'll make sure all this is sealed when I'm done. Oh, there's something bothering me. It's like something stuck me. Probably a piece of metal or something. Should probably wear gloves next time. That's gonna stay right there.
Is it gonna have the same filter or is it?
It should be the same size, 20 by 20. I might set some fire alarms off.
No, I turned them off.
Okay.
Yeah, everything's off. Thank you.
Ese no es el tuyo, ¿eh?
No,
Okay.
y se llevaron la línea de gas la cortaron
¿Sí?
y ahorita no
¿Por
tienen ni
qué,
gas.
¿por qué hicieron eso?
Accidentes.
No agarraron Big Permit.
Oh my
Exacto.
gosh.
Pues ya,
Qué estupidez, ¿eh? Oye, eso.
y sí. Pero pues solas se pagan, bro.
Yeah. Yo tengo que hacer. Voy a hablar con un master electrician o un master plumber también. Si yo puedo coger toda la licencia, la cojo.
¿Tienes un martillo? No, bro. Por aquí te vi el tomahawk que la agarré de ella, no la bebé, güey, todo. Eso lo llevaste. Ahí te lo dejé.
Está diciendo que está, güey. Es mucho, ¿no? Ahí está. ¿Lo mixeo?
Espérate, bueno.
Casi, casi. Ay, ay.
yours. I thought these were mine's for Hi, Coffee. I think I'm about to break my leg.
All right, love you, Sol.
Bye.
Love you.
Bobby, guess what? I watched this movie on Macy told me.
What is
It was a good movie.
it? Was it?
I seen it all over YouTube.
Okay.
It's on Netflix.
All right. I love you
Bye,
now.
Bob.
I love you. Bye.
Bye. Hope you have a good day.
You too. Hang up for me.
Bye, Coffee.
Okay, hang up.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Hang up the phone.
I'm gonna hang up now.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Do you hang up? Put that right there. I ain't carrying nothing, so I don't have to. Man, what the hell? Might need that for something. Yes, sir. Thank you, man. I appreciate your help, man.
Yeah, let me.
Oh, fucking hey. Yo voy a llevar un... Me va a llevar... Me va a llevar uno a la vez.
No, es que ponlo aquí, mira. Ahí ponlo ya. Y ahora siempre lleva todo.
Ok.
Me parece como el tanquecito está pesado.
Sí, está pesadito, sí. ¿Me lo pones? Ajá. Ahí yo lo agarro.
Wait.
Thank you, sir. That'll work.
Yeah. So it's done.
Yes, sir. Oh.